How school admins use Whiteboard paint to turn outdated labs into high-tech makerspaces. What if transforming your dusty, outdated computer lab into a cutting-edge makerspace cost less than a single interactive display and took just one weekend? Every campus has a spatial liability, a forgotten lab, a windowless AV room, a relic from the 90s. Demolishing and rebuilding drains your entire facility's budget. But here's what forward-thinking administrators are doing instead. Commercial-grade whiteboard paint bonds to virtually any surface. Walls, columns, even laminate desktops. One application, one weekend, 0 contractors, and it lasts over a decade without ghosting. Stop letting square footage go to waste. Transform your campus into the collaborative, future-ready environment that students and parents are looking for. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoding.com.